Learn how to correct several more reasons why you may be getting inaccurate replies or inconsistent dowsing answers. Happy dowsing! Hi there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind Body Wisdom expert and master dowser. This quick video is going to share some tips on what can interrupt the connection between your intuition and your dowsing. In other words, you're getting inconsistent or totally wrong dowsing answers. So the first thing I check into is, of course, if you're not feeling well, if you've eaten a bunch of sugar, or carbohydrates, or of course alcohol, drugs, all that stuff, especially if you're a new dowser. That can interrupt your information because it weakens the energy, and it may cause a bunch of reactions going on in your body, and your body's got to be focused on that. So your muscle control, which is like part of the dowsing, right? Because the information comes through and you're trained yourself for me, this is a yes answer and this is a no answer. So I would say in the beginning, and just don't overload on a bunch of unhealthy food before you practice your dowsing or start out your dowsing. Later on, when you become a master, you could probably eat or drink anything. I'll be honest, I've done that, and still get good answers. Another thing is, a lot of people are dehydrated, and even if you're just practicing, that might be something easy to practice. Am I allowed to ask at this time my human body's level of hydration? It's 100%. It's 90, 80, 70. Exactly 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 74% body hydration, which means I should drink some more water, which I will after this video. But if yours is much lower, I would say you may not get, because you want the electricity of your body, the energy, the electrical charges to be all flowing smoothly. So I'd say drink some more water. And then the other thing that really can mess you up is a polarity reversal. And all that means is, like when we were born, the polarities of our body's energy and electricity were just flowing through. You know, we have a north pole up here and a south pole at the bottom of our feet. But anything like stress, trauma, fear, watching scary movies, watching terrible things on the news, all this being afraid of what's going on in the world, that can screw up your polarity. And even with me, and I've been dowsing, about 30 years now, sometimes you just can't help, it's all over the internet and stuff, seeing some terrible things about what's happening in the world, and I'm like, oh my gosh, and next thing I know, I'm getting wrong dowsing answers. But it's so simple to correct your polarity, which is just, for me, this is what I do, and it should work for you too. I now recharge, rebalance, realign into correct flow. All of my body's polarity, my energy body's polarity, my mind body system polarity, everything, my soul's polarity, to 100% compatible, 100% correct flow, positive flow. And so it is. What you say isn't as important as your intention of what you want to create. So those are some tips, some quick tips for today for your dowsing that should be able to help you if you're having some difficulties. And the more you just practice this and keep at it and believe in yourself, please believe in yourself, you're going to become a master dowser too. Trust me, I know. Take care. Peace out. Decode life's mysteries. Learn dowsing today and help yourself, family, friends, and animal friends.